Hello students. Next example, solve this following compounds. And first example student, this compound react with lithium aluminum hydride in the presence of acidic hydrogen, and second one is sodium borohydride in the presence of acidic hydrogen. One is strong reducer, and this lithium aluminum hydride is strong reducer. It is strong reducer. It is a weak reducer. We double that weak reducer. So generally lithium aluminum hydride can reduce, what I said, so this lithium aluminum hydride can reduce aldehydes, ketones, esters, amides, like that. But here one ester group is there, one keto group is there. So lithium aluminum hydride can reduce both esters and keto group. So what is the production? The ester group and keto group also here bond cleavage is bond cleavage. Lithium aluminum hydride can reduce keto group also. This keto group is converted into alcohol, that is secondary alcohol, giving secondary alcohols. Then CH2, then CH2, CH3, CH2, CH2, then CH2OH, plus another one is here also, here bond cleavage we will get, that is one more product also, but these both are giving alcohols. This compound having one ester group is there, one keto group is there. So lithium aluminum hydride can reduce both keto group and ester group. This keto group is converted into secondary alcohol. This ester group is converted into primary alcohol. See here bond cleavage one, bond cleavage in between C and O. This CH3OH will be formed, and this is also CH3, CHOH, CH2, CH2, CH2OH. This is the final production. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so 5 carbon. So this is the final production. But same compound react with sodium borohydride. This sodium borohydride is a weak reducer. This sodium borohydride can reduce only aldehyde group. This sodium borohydride can reduce only aldehyde group, but cannot reduce ester group. This is very most important, student. This sodium borohydride is weak reducer. It can reduce only for keto group. So what is the production? That is product is CH3 CHOH, then CH2, then CH2, then COOCH. This is as usual. This ester group cannot reduce with sodium borohydride. This is also very most important, student. The sodium borohydride can reduce only keto group, but cannot reduce ester group. This is the final production. Now take the second example, student. The second example, student. And this compound react with lithium aluminum hydride and sodium borohydride. Lithium aluminum hydride and sodium borohydride, same thing, student. And this compound having one keto group is there, one ester group is there. This keto group is there, one ester group is there. So we know that is lithium aluminum hydride can reduce keto group and ester group. What is the production? That is product is, this is OH. This bond cleavage here, so this is bond cleavage. CH2OH plus then CH3OH. This is a simple structure. So bond cleavage in between here. This compound CH3, this is O minus, this carbon getting positive charge. So that is the, what is the product? That is CH3, this is CH2, then CH2OH plus CH3OH. So here this lithium aluminum hydride can reduce keto group also and ester group also. Lithium aluminum is strong reducer, so that's why it can reduce both aldehydes, ketones and esters and amides and cyan and everything. So lithium aluminum can reduce keto group also, and this is keto group, this is ester group. And next one, sodium borohydride, student. This sodium borohydride, we know, student, this sodium borohydride can reduce only ketone, cannot reduce ester. So what is the production? This sodium borohydride can reduce only keto group. What is the production? This is the OH, this is OH, then same thing, remaining compound, same thing, COOCH3. The sodium borohydride cannot reduce ester, it can reduce only keto group. This is a simple text. Now next example, student. This compound react with lithium aluminum hydride and sodium borohydride. This lithium aluminum hydride is strong reducer, it can reduce, one keto group is there, one acid group is there. It is also very most important. So this is CH3 CO CH2, then CH2 COH. So lithium aluminum hydride can reduce aldehydes, ketones, acid derivatives, everything. So what is the production? It can reduce OH, then CH2, then CH2, then CH2OH. This acid group also, can reduce lithium aluminum hydride, can reduce acid group also, that is CH2OH. This COOH group is converted into CH2OH, and this keto group is converted into alcohol, that is secondary alcohol. But in sodium borohydride, this compound react with sodium borohydride in the presence of acidic hydrogen. This sodium borohydride cannot reduce acid group. The sodium borohydride can reduce only keto group student. The sodium borohydride can reduce only keto group, cannot reduce acid group. It is also very most important student. The sodium borohydride can reduce only keto group. So what is the production? That is, this is OH, this is keto group is converted to alcohol, that is secondary alcohols. So that does not change. The sodium borohydride in the presence of acidic anhydride, acidic hydrogen, it can reduce only keto group, cannot reduce acid group. This is the very most important one. This is the final production. Now take the, so this is COH group does not change. COH group cannot reduce with sodium borohydride. Next example student, that is, this compound react with lithium aluminum hydride and sodium borohydride. So here student, this compound having one cyanide group is there, one amide group is there. This is amide group, CONH2 group, amide group is there. Lithium aluminum hydride can reduce amide and cyanide. We know student that is, I gave very simple trick for previous video, RCN in the presence of lithium aluminum hydride. What I said student, that is RCH2NH2. It is also giving primary amines. If in case take the RCONH2 amide, it is also react with lithium aluminum hydride. What is the production? It is also giving primary amines, RCH2NH2. So in this compound, lithium aluminum hydride can reduce amide also and cyanide also. What is the production? That is, product is this cyanide is converted into CH2NH2. This cyanide is converted, cyanide on reduction with lithium aluminum hydride, this carbon is converted to CH2, N is converted into NH2. Simple trick student. This CN is there, carbon converted into CH2, nitrogen converted into NH2. That is primary of cyanide on reduction with lithium aluminum hydride. It gives rise to what I mentioned, that is CH2 and NH2. That is primary amine, same thing. Then same, the CO group is student, the CO group, CONH or CONH2 in the presence of lithium aluminum hydride. What I said student, it is also giving primary amine. The CO is converted into CH2. The CO is converted into CH2, then NH2. This is a simple trick student. And amide, CONH2 react with lithium aluminum hydride. It gives rise to CH2NH2. It is also giving primary amines. Lithium aluminum hydride can reduce cyanide and amide. Amide also giving primary amines, CH2NH2, and cyanide also giving primary amines, CH2NH2. This CO is converted into CH2. This CO is converted into CH2, and NH2 as usual is there. So this is a simple trick student. But this compound react with sodium borohydride. In the presence of acidic hydrogen. This sodium borohydride can reduce only cyanide group. It is very most important student. This sodium borohydride can reduce only cyanide group, cannot reduce amide. It is also very most important student. This sodium borohydride can reduce only cyanide group. We know this cyanide group, we know what I said, so that is this RCN in the presence of sodium borohydride. What I said, so that is RCH2NH2. That is R means this is alkyl group. Cyanide means this carbon is converted to CH2, N is converted into NH2. This is the fraction. The cyanide group is converted to CH2NH2. Then after the same thing, this CONH2 does not change. there is no effect. This sodium borohydride reduce only cyanide group, cannot reduce amide group. It is also very most important, student. Sodium borohydride can reduce only cyanide group, cannot reduce amide group. This is the simple trick for reduction with lithium aluminum hydride and sodium borohydride, students. If you like my video, please like, share and comment, and thanks for watching, student. If you like my video, please click on like, please click on like. Thank you.